So guys, let me show you how you can make this deep hair conditioner with just the things or some of the things you have around your kitchen. To take care of our hair, we don't really need to spend much money, but we need good quality stuff or good things to do at the right time so we can be able to give our hair the vitamin they need to grow strong and thick. Welcome back again to Susan Gold TV. This is another number 3 conditioner we've made so far in this channel. So here is 3 items we use this time. So guys, one is banana. So banana, we know how rich banana is. And the second one, we're going to be needing egg, Vaseline, then castor oil. So first we take out the banana peel. What we need is the one inside. So just slice it into the blender and start blending it. I always blend it till it's very smooth. So when I'm done with this part, and this is how it have to look like. Alright, then I just break the egg inside, both the yolk and the egg white, all of them together. Then we're going to be adding half teaspoon of Vaseline, then 2 teaspoons of castor oil. These are all the things we need. That is why I said these are the things you can get in your kitchen. Vaseline, most of us will have it in our kitchen. In case we finish doing some dishes, we can just cream our hand. And we'll have egg in our fridge, and we'll have banana, to eat always. So after I finish blending everything together and I know they are well mixed, so I'm gonna just transfer it to a bowl where I will still stir it for about some minutes. Yeah, I stir everything together. Then before I start applying, I said it in my previous video, before you apply conditioner on your hair, even if you are buying from the supermarket, it is better to stir it just to give it a good mix first before you start applying it. So this is how it looks like after I blended everything together. So here is my daughter's hair. So now I'm just going to start applying it. I'm going to start from the front as usual. Like I said, we have to start from the front. Yeah, just keep applying it because this very one, our hair texture is different from the other two. I'm a mother of 3 beautiful girls, so our hair texture is quite different. That is why when I'm applying on her hair, I use something like stronger, to help her hair, and it's really working. Since I started using it, I've seen a lot of difference. If you have been the type that watch my video, you will understand when this hair started having some changes. So that's why I decided to come and also share this idea in case you're facing the same problem I used to face with her hair. So that you can start using it. It's really good, guys. It's amazing. So after applying it this way, and I always do it round, then before I start putting it inside from the scalp to the tip, just keep doing it continuously. If your child hair is not too long and you want to use this kind of conditioner, I would advise you use half banana, because if you use full one, it might you might have some leftover, but you can store in the fridge, but not longer than a week. So if you cannot use it for in a week time, it is better just mix the one you can use instantly. So that is what I do. I don't store anything in the fridge. Both the juice I'm making, I just mix everything and I use them instantly. I just like when I'm mixing it, I am using it. So if your child hair is much, you can also use 1.5. Depends on the hair you are going to mask with it. Yeah, please don't fail to use spacey comb to comb the hair before you start twisting it. When you are done, cover the hair for 30 minutes to an hour. That will enable the conditioner to work very well on the hair. You can cover it with shower cap. If you don't have shower cap, you can use polythene to cover it. It doesn't matter. Just what we need is something polythene on the hair to like heat to heat the conditioner to the hair.